What's up everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and we've got a ton of leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, from the new build to the water resistance to the brand new hinge and much more, so make sure you stick till the end. First of all, it will be called the Galaxy Z Flip 3 instead of Flip 2 as I predicted in my video back in November, and now it is confirmed and will be officially called that. And it is done to align the naming with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 to make things less complicated. As for now, we have no leaks regarding the design of it. It might look like these renders from Snorian and Let's Go Digital, or it might resemble the S21 series with that corner camera bump, or it could look something entirely different, so we'll see about that. There will definitely be some design leaks in a month or two. Of course, I will cover that on my channel, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna have pretty much the same dimensions as the original Z Flip. We will have glass on the back and possibly a much better frame. We previously got this leak via Let's Go Digital, in which they claim that Samsung has applied for a trademark of armor frame, and it could mean that Samsung is finally giving their frames an upgrade, and it could be used for both the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Fold 3 as well as the future flagship phones. Traditionally, Samsung uses aluminum frames on their phones, which whilst is metal and is strong but is still a relatively soft metal. We don't know what material it will be. It might be carbon or titanium. I actually think that it might be titanium, which is not only super strong and very shock resistant, but also lighter and thinner. It will be more expensive, but that would be pretty dope. So if that happens, then the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be much more durable. We're also going to see some noticeable improvements in the hinge. Sources claim that it will now be able to close completely with no gap between them where dust and dirt can accumulate, which was a problem with both the Z Flip and the Z Fold, so that's a pretty good thing. And I also expect the hinge to be available in different custom matching colors like the Z Fold 2. And finally, we can expect to have IP53 splash resistant. It's not IP68, but still it is surreal considering that it is a foldable phone, so that is definitely a massive leap forward. We will have triple camera setup on the back with a 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra-wide and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. We will also see a much larger cover display, which was much needed, so now it will be a 1.83 inch OLED display that you can use to see notifications, incoming calls and other kind of stuff. It's not as big as the Motorola Razr, but still a decent upgrade. We can also expect to have a lot of color options this year, like black, purple, green and yellow, and I think it looks sublime in those colors. Display wise, we're going to have a 6.7 inch 1080p AMOLED Flex display with a much needed 120Hz of variable refresh rate, and we will see a much stronger and improved ultra thin glass technology, and we will also see lesser display edges for more screen to body ratio, so that's a pretty good thing. I really hope it also gets the under display camera like on the Z Fold 3, because that would be incredible. I also made a video on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 recently. You can check it out. Link is in the description down below and here in the iCard. Talking about the specs of it, we will have 8 gigs of RAM, up to 256 gigs of internal storage. Unfortunately, there is still no microSD card support. We will have Snapdragon 888 processor globally and a 3500 mAh of battery with 25 watt of fast charging. It may or may not come with a charger out of the box. And it will have both 4G and 5G models depending on your region. It will be launched in July alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it will be priced at around $1,300 or so. I'm honestly very pumped up about it. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it, and if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe for more of this stuff with that bell icon, and consider checking out my other videos just like this one. This is Mr. Fantastic, and I'll see you next time.